All right, y'all. Let's put our juicer together. This is the Nama J2.
Carlos says hi.
Hey, Carlos on YouTube.
And Salam says hi.
Hey, Salam on YouTube. You know I'm always trying something new, girl. I'm always trying something. Thank you, Coco. All right, let's put this together, then we're gonna start juicing. I'm juicing right along with you. I love my Nama too. Good to hear, Isabella. Let me make sure I got this lined up properly. Thank you for the populo. So it's real easy to clean, y'all. Let's break it down over here. In case you're interested in this juicer, this is the Nama J2. And I'm gonna show y'all how to clean it. So you just twist this off. Make sure I'm twisting it the right way. Twist that off. That's what it looks like on the inside. That's the hopper where we had all our fruits and veggies at. Everything just pulls apart. And you just rinse it out. So my husband will come behind me with some soap and water. But while he grabs the other juices out, I'm going to just rinse off what I can. Thank y'all for joining. Thank y'all for tapping. Thank y'all for all the gifts. I appreciate y'all. We will be back in the morning at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time working out. We got legs in the morning. Thank you, Jenny. I do my own hair, Jenny. I wash my hair every Saturday. I've been washing my hair every Saturday for the last 2 years, y'all. I just put a video on YouTube showing y'all how I do my hair every Saturday. I will, Auntie. Thank you for popping in. This comes with the juicer. So we just gonna clean this out. Babe, let me know when you got all the juice out and I'll bring the camera back over there. I'm gonna show y'all all the juice we made. LG say, do you drink coffee? I do not drink coffee, LG. I've never been a coffee drinker, but I do drink tea. I'm a tea girl. You have a good night too, Bia. I definitely love tea, but I've never had coffee. Faith says she loves her Nama. I love it too, girl. It is a good investment. I'm just rinsing it out. My husband will come back and wash it with some soap and water. You're going to use this brush to scrape it. Good night, No. Thank you for stopping by. I'm going to show y'all all the juice we made when he gets it all out. Let me show you the tea I drink, user. This is one. Is that upside down? Yeah. 2. This is 3. This is 4. Is that upside down? Green tea, yeah. So I'll be having 4 tea bags, y'all. And 1 cup. You got all the juice out, babe? Alright. So let me rinse this off and then I'm going to take y'all over there to see the juices we made. If you're just getting in, you can go back to my YouTube, Fit with Sia, and you can watch all the lives of me juicing. Gabby, what you missed? The tea? Thank you for your heart, Miro. You missed the tea, Gabby? Let me know and I'll show you again before I move the camera. Jenny, Jen Jackson, I've been juicing for almost 2 years. But I've been juicing on live for 14 weeks. So I show up every Sunday and make juice. And then I pop up in the middle of the week and I'll make some random juice or more juice that we ran out of.